Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on the Webull app. First, download the Webull application from your App Store. Once installed, you will need to complete the registration process, providing your personal details and linking a bank account. Finally, fund your account with at least $50 to begin trading. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to explore the market in just a few minutes. Now that your account is ready, let's find a stock. Use the search bar at the top to look for specific companies by name or ticker symbol. Once you find a stock, dive into its detailed quote page. Here, you can review market data, read recent news, and analyze key financial metrics to help you make an informed decision about your potential investment. To place an order, tap the Trade button on the stock's page. You'll then choose your order type. A market order buys at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific maximum price you are willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you want to buy, review your order, and then confirm your purchase. After buying, it's important to monitor your investments. The Webull app provides a clear overview of your portfolio's performance. You can set up price alerts to notify you of significant stock movements, helping you stay informed without constant checking. Remember to regularly review your holdings and consider diversifying across different industries to manage risk effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.